Welcome once again to my channel. This is Ruth. In this video I'm going to show you how I cook Ofe Oha, exactly what you see on the screen. Not too thick, not too light. I'm going to show you how I cook Oha Umuahia style. So let's dive into it. First, I have my fresh Oha leaf. Everyone, this Oha is so fresh that I could not resist it. I could not resist. It's really fresh. Then I'm going to be using cow foot, some beef, and some cow stripe. Then I have my stockfish head to give you that aroma and nice flavor. I have yellow chili, some blended crayfish to test, and then I will be using Ofor as a thickener, not a day. So please watch and see how I use that. Then I have my blended egusi. Then Oha soup is not complete without uziza leaf. Uziza leaf gives that aroma and nice flavor to your Oha soup. So to begin, I transfer the already washed cow food, the beef, and the stripe inside the same pot because they all have the same cooking hour. So I'm going to cook the three of them together. So next I add seasoning to taste. Then I add some garlic powder and ginger to taste, some salt to taste. Then I'll add enough chopped onions. Everyone, I love onions, so I add lots and lots of onions. Then I will use a desirable stick, turning stick, to stir to combine, mix to combine all the ingredients together. And then after that, I will cover this to cook 30 minutes on a high flame. I'm using a pressure pot. If you're not using a pressure pot, you can cook it more. So while that is on fire, this is how I cut my Oha leaf. I don't use knife because some use knife to cut Oha leaf. So I want that fine Oha soup, tasty Oha soup with Oha soup that is very attractive. So this is how I cut my Oha leaf. I'm just going to take my time, pluck it out from the stem, then cut it into 4 or 3 parts depending on the size of the Oha. So I'm taking my time to pluck it out from the stem, and then after that I'll put it on my hand, then cut it into 3 parts. And after cutting it, this is what it looks like. Everyone, this Oha leaf is so fresh. I could not resist. I mean, in this dry season I could get something fresh like this. Who will resist this? It's really very fresh. Then the same thing I do with my uziza leaf. I'll cut it into, first I'll divide it into 2, then into 4 different parts. I'll do this to all the uziza leaf. Oha with uziza leaf is so nice. It gives this nice flavor, very tasty, everyone. So hello everyone, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to my channel, and also share if you have the ability to do so. Okay, so our meat is ready. The beef, the cow foot, and the stripe is ready. So I will transfer this to my soup pot right away. Let's start the Oha soup. Don't go away, all my wonderful family. Stay together and watch to the end. Stick together. Then so after transferring the water to this pot, I will add my stockfish and fish to cook. I will add it and then add my yellow chili. Yellow chili always gives nice flavor to my soup. Then add some salt, and then I'll cover this to cook for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I will open the pot, add some palm oil. All the ingredients used in this video will be at the description section down below. Okay, so after I add my palm oil, The next thing I'll add is the crayfish, and after I add the crayfish, I'll cover this to cook, so that's the miro fegeye of Uma. Then I'll cover this to cook on a high heat for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I will add my thickener. Then cover it to cook. So for this Ofor thickener, some like to mix it with cold water, but I like adding it direct. Then take my desirable stick and make sure it sinks very well, then cover it. It melts so fast. It melts faster than using cold water to mix on ground before pouring it inside the pot. Everyone, that is exactly what I realized. You won't see any lumps. So next I will add some blended egusi to brighten the face of the soup, to make it very attractive. You know, when your soup is attractive or very yummy in look, everyone likes it. So I don't want that dull face of a Oha soup. So that is why I always add some crayfish, blended crayfish. That is what my mom does. So while that is on fire, I'm allowing it to cook for 20 minutes on a high heat. So the next thing I did is to wash my Oha leaf and Uziza leaf, and before I add it into the water, I added some salt to kill any insects stick to the leaves. So after 20 minutes, you see what the soup stock looks like, very attractive. So next I will add the Oha leaf. Oha leaf doesn't need high heat to cook, so I reduce the flame a bit, and the moment I add this Oha leaf and blends together, I just turn up the heat so that it doesn't turn pale. The leaf doesn't turn pale before the soup is to be eaten. So thanks so much, genuine subscribers, for your support always. I really appreciate. And if this is your first time here, please don't forget to thumbs up and comment, like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video. Bye for now.